My name's Ian Graham. I work for the Department of Conservation as a, Kiwi ranger. As part of that role, I've also got 2 trained species conservation dogs in the Conservation Dogs program. And so they're trained up to find Kiwi. The role that dogs can play is pretty significant, and a dog's sense of smell is way better than ours. And so we can train them to basically find Kiwi for us. Ten years ago, I got Rein as a puppy. She was about 8 weeks old. By the time she was 6 months old, she had gone through her first set of exams and been accepted into the Conservation Dogs program. And ever since then, she's been helping us find Kiwi. There we go, there's Kiwi. Just recently, I guess she's started to slow down, and so we've got Brew. She's now 2 years old. Motuara Island is one of our creche islands for the Rein program as part of Operation Nest Egg. Not too far down. I've kind of got them strongest down this way. Brew, we monitor sort of rough 60 to 70 breeding pairs in Okarito Sanctuary, and we take their eggs and we put the chicks onto a predator-free island. Through predation, Kiwi have about a 5% chance of survival. In the Operation Nest Egg program, they've got about a 75% chance of survival. We've had highs and lows in regard to the success of the island. I guess they make a perfect size snack for a falcon. And it wasn't really until we were finding some of the transmitters from these predated birds on Long Island, which is nearby, that we figured out that the falcon was predating some of the chicks. It's horrible sort of spending so much time and effort on trying to raise these birds and then finding transmitters on sort of in different places, knowing it's from predation. My dogs are pets just as much as they're working dogs. I've had them both since they were pups, and so we've developed basically a pretty strong bond. You develop that bond over basically training, working, time you spend with them, doing stuff in the weekends. Rein especially is taken pretty confidently to anything we can throw at her. She'll get into helicopters, get into jet boats without thinking twice. They both think they're people. Brew's a bit more outgoing than Rein, and I guess Rein's sort of, she's getting a bit older now, so slowing down. Good girl. I think it's good for her having Brew around. Take some of that workload. It means that she's not getting as much work as she was, and able to relax and settle into retirement slowly. She definitely doesn't want to. take her out in the weekends. But yeah, as she's not certified, she won't come along on work trips like this. So yeah.